So now let's see how you can import files from cloud services like Google Drive. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to File right here and I'm going to go to Import. And over here you can see an option Import from Google Drive. The process is the same for OneDrive as well, but over here in this example, we're going to be using Google Drive. But once we click on it, you can see right here, it says not signed in. So if you haven't signed into your Google account already, it'll prompt you for this. So you have to click on the sign in button and it'll open up a web page where you'll have to enter your credentials. So it loads up the Google page right here, just like this. And then what you have to do is choose your account and enter your username and password. So over here, you can see that I can select my user account right here, or you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. And what happens is that it signs in from the web and it'll redirect you back onto the app. So it says Snagit wants to access your Google account. That is, it'll be able to see, edit, create, and delete all of your Drive files. So I'm just going to click on Allow, just like this. So it says you're signed in, and we can close the tab and we go back right here. And you see this. So you only have to sign in once and your Google Drive account will be linked up with your software until you sign out again. So you can see that you can see all your folders right here. So I'm going to select 21.jpeg and import it out. So it downloads the file from Google Drive onto your local drive, and then it comes up over here and you can start editing this picture out as usual, as in with any other pictures or screenshot that you have right here. And that is how you can access cloud files and bring them up into Snagit editor directly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.